So I'm sure you've heard them say you need to be everywhere, and it sounds really overwhelming. Blogs, social, video, all the places. Let me show you this trick with these two tools that major companies are using to be everywhere without having to do everything and spend all that time and money getting it done. First tool, SEO Assist. You're going to go into, if you've already written your blogs, which you can use this to write your blogs too, but already written your blogs, you're going to just copy over your blog and head on over into SEO Assist and repurpose. See, in the repurpose flow, we got to repurpose your post, which means you take your blog post and you turn it into a bunch of social content. All right, once that's done, you see it's giving you quotes, captions, image idea, and all of the social content that you need. So we copy this on over to Google Docs. Once you copy in your social post, you just want to clean it up. I like to put mine, I already did some here, in two columns, one for the quote, one for the call to action. I'll show you guys why we do that in a moment, but you see I just took the quotes that the tool gave us, and then I just added my own call to action. Sometimes I'll take, like if they give you a quote and a caption, I'll make one the quote, one the call to action. So I do different things with it depending on what I want on that final graphic. Let me show you the next tool. So now we are over here in Canva, and what I do in Canva is find a good template that I know will, what I want my quote cards to look like, what I want ever my social media graphics. So I've chosen these two. We're actually going to work with this one now. So you just choose it, use this template. Once you selected the template, I already went through and updated my fonts. I added the client's logo and I put their name here. So I did all the updates that I wanted this to look like. It originally looked like this, and now it looks like this. But that's the easy, if you can use Canva, you can do it part. All right, and now for the magic part. You're going to go into your sidebar here in Canva, and you're going to go to your apps and look for an app that's called Bulk Create. All right, you'll see it there. Now, if you've already done this once, then you can actually, it'll be in your sidebar, but that first time you do have to select it from the apps. So I'm going to go in the Bulk Create. I'm going to do enter manual data because I've already got it copied off, and to me, it's just easier. And then I just copy in what I just created over in the Google Sheet. So same exact data we have here is what we're now putting here in Canva. Right. So you just put that. You can add images, you can add text, you can rename these if you want to. I sometimes don't. So once you've got this, how you want this to look, I will warn you that I try not to edit in this actual tool. It gets a little messy. So that's another reason why we use that Google Sheet in advance. You're going to hit done. And here you just want to assign. So you see I got my quotes here and then my graphic here. So I want to connect these two together. So right click on any area where there's text and connect data. It's going to give you your choices. This is where I want my quote to go. And then down here, I'm going to connect data. This is where I want my call to action to go. Then once I've done that, I'm going to come back over here, click continue. It's going to show you all the rows you're going to do. So if there's some that you're like, I don't really like that anymore, you can actually deselect them. We won't do that today. And then generate designs. It takes a quick minute. And now all of my cards have been created. You can see them all down here. And so what I'll do is, because you see this is a little bit big, I'll go through and just kind of like now make them exactly how I want. All right, last step. Now that I've kind of made them all, I've adjusted them all so they are the exact size that I want them to be, I'm going to go in and give them their own unique photos. So I've already uploaded a ton of clients' photos here. And so I'm just going to move them on over with the picture. So this one's talking about the home's exterior. So I got a picture here with the client's home exterior, and I'm just going to plop it right in. And you see how it's starting to look super unique and clear. And then this one's about enhancing living space, perfect for this picture here where it looks like they're doing a basement. And so we're going to enhance living space. And this one is talking about predictable weather in the summer. So I'm going to show this beautiful ceiling with fans. And just our last one here. One something that shows a little bit more. So this one talks about energy efficiency in the home, but I like this bathroom. And so we are going to do that. And just going to adjust this a little bit because of the way the picture's placed. And boom, I've now made 5 quote cards that can now easily be used on social and connect back to the unique blog post that is here on the client's site. So boom, now you see how you can use these 2 simple tools to take your blog posts and turn them into social content so you can be everywhere, have a consistent message everywhere, and get a lot done without spending a lot of time, energy, money, resources, and all the things. Let me know what you guys think of this tip and these tools, and if you try it out, how it works out for you. I'd love to hear. If you want a free way to try SEO Assist, go to seoassist.com/try7 and enjoy.